Hello everyone guys, welcome back to another helpful tutorial. Today I'll show you how to actually add your NOL card to your Apple Wallet. So this makes, paying for public transport in Dubai seamless and convenient guys, directly from your iPhone or Apple Watch. So let's get started guys. So first things first, you want to actually check your iPhone's iOS version. You want to ensure that it's actually updated to the latest version, as support for NOL cards in Apple Wallet actually requires the most recent updates, right? Then what you want to guys do is you want to download the RTA Dubai app from the App Store. Okay, if you haven't already, guys, do that because the app is essential for linking your NOL card to your Apple Wallet. Then what you want to do is you want to open up the RTA Dubai app and log in or sign up for an account. So once you're logged in, you want to navigate to the NOL services section, and then you want to select the option to add your NOL card to your Apple Wallet. You want to follow the on-screen instructions, guys, to link your physical NOL card, or you can actually set up a virtual one. So if you're transferring a physical card, you'll need the card number and any additional details. And after you confirm your card details, guys, you want to confirm that, and then you want to authorize the process. So once successful, your NOL card will appear in your Apple Wallet, and then you can basically just use your iPhone or Apple Watch to tap on transit readers when traveling. You can simply just double click the side button and select your NOL card to pay for your ride, guys. And that's it, guys. You're adding your NOL card to Apple Wallet is a game changer, right? For traveling in Dubai. And guys, if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Happy traveling, and I'll see you guys in the next video.